Good day, guys. So today our topic is Google Maps info windows. So this is a basic tutorial how to set up an info window and how to pretty much customize our info window, change the background, change the font, change the background color, and so on. Okay, so first, what is info window that I'm talking about? So it is in Google Maps. When you click this marker right here will trigger the info window. Okay, so this tutorial also includes the basic triggering of info window, and that is by clicking the marker only. So don't expect too much in this tutorial. Okay, so this code is from W3 School, and so is the API key that we see right there. So I own nothing here. Okay, so let's start. In the script, we have the center of our maps in London. So this latitude and longitude right there points in London. So that is my center. The center of my map which is in London. Okay, so this tutorial assumes that you already know the basics of creating a Google map. Okay. Okay, so let's start. We set up the marker, we set up the map, we set up the marker, and then we set up the info window. So the info window, of course, has options that we can edit or customize. Okay, so those options, let me tackle that later, but the basic is right here. This is how we set up our info window, the basic info window. So the content of our info window when you click the marker is the hello world. So let's change this so that you can see. This is where Sherlock Holmes used to live. Yeah, you know Sherlock Holmes. The great fictional character from a book. That was made by Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. Okay. And so, how do we trigger this info window? Of course, by adding the listener, which is bound in the marker. So when we click the marker, trigger the info window. It will be open. Okay. So this is the method of an info window to open when we click the marker. And then that's pretty much it. Let's change this size of the Google map so we can see bigger map. Yeah, here when we click this one, we see this is where Sherlock Holmes used to live. Okay, but as you can see, we still have this vertical scroll right there. So how do we change? How do we remove this one? Okay, let's try to remove it by adding another option named max width. So this is just one of the options that we can change in Google Map info window. So let's try 200 and load it. Yeah, so you can see there's no more scroll bar here. Okay, so that's it. So what are the other options that we can change in an info window? So we have here the list of the options that we can change. So we have the content, disable auto pan, max width. So this is what we changed earlier. And the pixel offset, the position, the Z index. Okay, so of course the content is what we are up to. So this can be an HTML element, a plain text string, or a string containing HTML. So basically, we can add an HTML element on this property so that we can also add a style. Okay, so a style sheet. So let's try giving this a div, putting our content on a div element, and then let's give it a class. For example, info window class, and of course let's add some style. Okay, for the class info window. So what are the style that we can give here? Okay, so font. Wait, let's try font weight. Let's make it so bold. And then what else? Background color. Let's have some light green background color. Then we have the padding, so that we can see our background color. Okay, so then pixels of padding, and then last let's add some border radius. Okay, save it and then refresh this one, and we see it. Okay. So I guess 200 max. It is not enough. Okay, so I guess this 200 here is enough. The only problem I had is that I lost internet connection. Okay, so we're back. Got my internet connection right there again. So refresh this one. Now we click this marker. Ooh! Still got the vertical scroll. There, right there. Okay. So the Google API and the Google API is on the internet, so the internet connection is needed, so it can compute automatically for the height of your info window. Okay, so we can only set the max width but not the height. The height is automatically computed. So I guess that's it. If you want a really nice customization, you can search for it on a Google code. We have this. They have this. So it is made by the Gmap samples version 3, googlecode.com, so you can search for that. This one is called info box. So this is an info window custom tool we can use. So as you can see, this one is a different background. Okay, it is a different border. You have a header right there. It's light blue. So yeah, you can search for that. A highly customized info window. So I guess that's it. Goodbye for now, and I need to say thank you for W3 Schools and all those sources that I got from the internet. Thank you so much. Thank you all for watching. Bye.